Hello learners, in this video we will start working on AutoCAD. In our previous tutorials, the basics are over. Now let's get into AutoCAD. See here, under Home tab we have line, polyline, circle, arc, rectangle and polygon. And shortcuts for these commands are L for line, PL for polyline, C for circle, A for arc, REC for rectangle, POL for polygon. Now have a look on one by one. So before starting working on AutoCAD, do remember you have to set units. So change engineering, precision is your wish, from millimeters to I want inches, set OK. After that, Limax, it's setting up your page size. Okay, I am going to take like around 50 feet, comma 50 feet. Okay, now Z enter, A enter. Okay, now enter L, it means line, specify first point, specify second point. Okay, so I don't know the dimension of the, I don't know the length of this line, but I want to draw my line with the length of 5 feet. Okay, now delete this, take line, specify first point, see, shift at the rate, give 5. Okay, 5 feet. Now go for less than, and it's your 0 degree angle. Okay, to the right side it is 0, to the top side it is 90, to the left side it is 180, to the down side it is 270. Okay, so press 0, enter. Now press escape. See, the line is very small. Okay, no problem. Just take dim linear. As I said you in previous video, dim linear. Specify your first point, specify your second point. See here, but again it's showing in decimals only. Now what I have to do? I have to change my units by pressing D. Units means here dimension units. Okay, go for primary units, change here also from engineering. Okay, and after that set current. Okay, now again, so if you want previous commands, just press upper arrow in your keyboard. See, dim style, erase I don't want, dim linear I want, press enter. Now take your first point, take your second point. See, it's 5 feet, right? Okay, now delete this one. So like that, line, after line, polyline. Polyline is nothing but group of multiple lines as a single object. See, before that I would like to draw a line with C. So I was drawn this with line command. Now I want to select this entire image. See, it was selecting individually. Now select this, delete. Now go for PL, enter. See, specify first point, it's asking. Next point, go draw like this. See, now press escape. Now select, it will select as single object. That is the difference between line and polyline. So after that we have circle. Coming to the circle, we can draw circle by 6 different ways. By using radius, by using diameter, 2-point circle, 3-point circle, tan radius and tan. So first give command C, enter. By default it is asking in command bar, see, circle specify radius of circle. So specify radius of circle. I want 20 feet radius. Okay, press enter. See, it came. Now just check the dimension. You can go here and select this one, or else you can enter DRA. It means dim radius shortcut. So select your circle. See, select how much it is showing, 20 feet. Okay. Now delete. Now delete this one. Again go for circle. Press center point. Specify your center point. After that enter D. Now give value of 50 feet. Okay. Now take a DIA. Dim dia. DDI. Okay. Now select your circle. See 50 feet. Okay. See this 2 is over. With respect to radius, with respect to dia is over. Now 2 point. What is 2 point circle? See, I have a line here and this is my point. Okay. I have another line here. See. So this is my end point of one line. This is my end point of one line. So just wait a minute. Okay. Now I want circle between those 2 points. Enter circle. Now enter 2P. So what it's saying in command bar? Specify first end point of circle. I want my first end point here and then I want here. Okay. Now I want a circle in between 3 points. I can take a line. Okay. Now go for circle. Specify 3P. Enter TP. Now select your first point. Select your second point. Select your third point. So when you want circle in between 3 points, you can draw like this. Now delete this one. Delete all. Okay. Now 2 point, 3 point over. Now tan radius. Tan is nothing but tangent. So draw a circles, 2 circles like this. Okay. Again. Okay. Now again go for command circle. Now select this one. Tan radius. Tan radius means nothing but tangent of one circle and tangent of 2 circles. After selecting these 2 circles, you have to give radius of the circle. See, I am selecting one here and I am selecting one here. Now give like 100 feet. See, it came here. Coming to the last one, we have tan. It is nothing but a circle in between 3 tangents. For example, take a circle. See here, I have one circle here, another circle, I have one here, and I have one over here. Now select this one. Specify first tangent, specify second tangent, specify third tangent. See, so this is the way how to draw circle in different ways. Guys, in order to don't want to make you feel bored, I am quitting my video here. Why? Because this arc also take more time, so the video length may increase. We will see this arc, polygon and rectangle in next video. This is Akbar signing off. Bye bye.